Alright, hey guys. So tonight for I believe it's the playoffs, my husband said he wants tacos. So we are going to be making tacos tonight. Let's pull down these shelves. And I found these. I love the nacho cheese ones from Taco Bell. So I found these ones at the store and it's going down. Now the first thing that I have is a huge pound of hamburger meat that I have to cook. So yeah, let's get to it. I mean, look at that sucker. That sucker is huge. I need a new pan. That pan's just bad looking, but it's okay. Here we go. Hamburger meat. Okay, so now hamburger meat is starting to cook. I'm gonna break it down a little bit and get it seasoned real nice. Now, usually if my oldest isn't here, I'll chop up some onion and throw that in the mixture just to give it some extra flavor, but she needs onions, so we are not even gonna do that. Alright, so first thing I add first off is onion powder. Because like I said, my daughter does not like onions. Alright, second, believe it or not, I add a bit of ginger just to give it a bit of a kick. Black pepper. Garlic salt.
What, like my feelings? If that's what you want to talk about, sure.
Crushed pepper. Crushed red pepper.
What's it equal? Well, we'll get some herbal tea. Okay, and you can find
Not too much because I have a little one. And then a bit of turmeric, and you're gonna wonder why turmeric. It's very healthy for us. It's healthy for our skin. It's healthy for all of that stuff. Plus, it just tends to give it a good grounded flavor. Last but not least, my husband loves Lawry's. Lawry's. So Lawry's it is. If I don't put it, he goes out. Okay. Give you guys a different angle from the cooking. Flip it. Alright, now we're going to add the lid. Turn it down a little bit. And just let it cook. Because we got other stuff to do. Okay, so we are back over to the prep station. And I am going to be cutting up onion, lettuce, and tomato. So, rock out with me. Tomatoes, lettuce. Oh, we can't forget the cheese. Mozzarella that's down here and it's already open. All right. Let's check on this one. Cooking real nice, not cooking too fast though. I know how it's game doesn't start till 7:15, so it's about. Now it is time to wash these veggies. We're gonna wash the tomatoes and wash the lettuce. Clean tomatoes. Okay, so I chopped the lettuce up off of camera. It's all chopped up and nice for the tacos. Yay. Last is this little onion. Take that skin off. Alright, now I'm gonna dump all this out. Alright, now we have the veggies all chopped up and ready to go. Yay. Now let's check out the meat. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Ready to go. Okay, now that Mama has finished food, Mama is getting first plate because it's not even dinner time yet. I'm too good, so I'm gonna treat myself. By you guys, I will show an end result of the product. There we go. Okay, night. Oh, go Cowboys, go. Go Cowboys, go. I'm gonna continue this video because I'm going to be drinking after this, and I'm not gonna continue the video. This is it. Tacos. I got another one coming for you. The good old spreads ready for the family.